This year person create PayPal account for Ghana. What Ghana na person create PayPal account? Cause since I know say PayPal no, you can't be. Nti pardon I finding ways and means it me first to use a PayPal account. In a channel way somebody can catch us my create PayPal account been 8 years ago. I'm go so and I'm use a PayPal account now. And che be an permanently PayPal for limited account now. Make permanently more limited account meaning say omo ne me nya adwuma biem enti sika wo ho a omo lock you sika no enti si a no hwe a mama fa me nkomi phone no na ye hwe ade enti si a wo hwe a on say notification say because of potential risk exposure we have permanently limited your account enti mo hwe message no mo de ma ona or say you can't use PayPal anymore. At PayPal we value community our customer to do businesses. Into see lock me say you can still log in and use your account information, but you can't send or receive money. Or send me email instructions can kwanya meet me first a transfer me sika. Into $92 no. To just imagine say what me a year for 6 months or online now when you're $92 I bet to PayPal account no more holding it for 180 days. But me use my platform na me de push it said ye and paying for the donor be who omu but ebi no more pay attention but there are more now who push the more no more so I think we very important to you to know I think we more important. Nti so oh show me video we now all coming up now was America and man in so you're using your channel to do politics being a woman say obi oye youth na or push it for PayPal no pushing paying for na me mean to me can't PayPal for someone for PayPal bra and paying for no politicians no more on bit me I'm on the enable PayPal there and this me catch politicians and some enable PayPal na you to no don't use for ejuma any politics na me push it for me ankasa me future and me push it no mu timi enable PayPal nya me nko na me use PayPal wa catch me say me the channel na ya politics no also bit me use PayPal ni bi sisi am no ka say you're holding me $92. How the bargain is close to 1,004 Ghana cedis. The 1,004 Ghana cedis no more holding no. Almost say 180 days. Guarantee be him say we are we no the mama no meet me a transfer me sika. Vice President 2018 no because it be PayPal and by the close of 2020 it be PayPal
that Ghana has concluded discussions with PayPal. And Ghana will therefore, if all goes well, become one of the PayPal-compliant countries in 2 phases. By the second half of 2019, which is next year, Ghanaian merchants should be able to receive payments for their goods sold online. By the first half of 2020, Ghanaian consumers would be able to make payments for goods and services purchased online by the PayPal accounts. Now up to us, Bank of Ghana, GIBS, banks, fintechs, telcos, and merchants to make this happen within the time frame and also to prepare ourselves for the opportunities it presents.
Up to now, no, you PayPal. I say at least open my update about your kind, no PayPal no DNA because you election year. Me am hey. I'm $92 a lucky. Ebe ha me, but it will be one is so lucky. Ebe ha no more. Inti sa nipa no vice president pa taxi drivers no more krom ne so no. Ombeche Rolls Royce and for or ni krom for no. So mo fanye taxi. Mo fanye taxi wo krom no. Sa nipa no still no on the vice president enye de enkoni because o ni sika be $200 akwa lucky because of ebia assembly of can wo previous years in T or voting ma vice president government. But up to now, on the money update here, even though say I didn't know my kind of money updates. Oh, you go say you work your PayPal, but no more say no. Ain't na ain't me and launch PayPal no. Tinipani canal lock into when it trim on me and yes, scanning could any fees. And I say because of say scanning on me in the D and me the and a par. About cyber harding. Into anything you push it for Saturday, we push it for all the youth, maybe our favorite creator, no, ain't me using a platform name push it be same now. But lucky, what can creator be a push it be same now? The wait me is over support creator no, on pushes for Saturday way. If you are yeah, parent, or ya awful be now video ya. The reason say be our banu be sa banis can want me emphasis can amount say oba ne ye adwuma online a ontimi nya sika no because of the lack of PayPal la ewo Ghana ha oko internet ne so mo se Ghana ha fraud dos ntina omo blacklist Ghana for free PayPal nti asisi Nigeria for kan ba Ghana for kan Nigeria ne Ghana wana fraud no he for na fraud no nti utimu se normal bi se ye koso a normal bi e se pay for no push for youth no omo push my push video we before say ube create PayPal be use ways and means be a create PayPal make sure say why you so person take this risk and say there when you sika bi obi send you scanner usika na enkoloki actually I say ubetimi issue refund but here is the case say we issue refund and nipa na send this scanner ma be me send the video we abo on the next video na nkwa mu ba no chen we na mebo a person share bi